What's up, team? We just got to Port Authority in Manhattan, and right now we're going to be making some deliveries for the Hungry Hippie Eats team. So, as you know, my lovely girlfriend Lisa Marie Falcone is a vegan since she's about 7 or 8 years old, and she created her own vegan meal prep company where each week she delivers food to New Jersey and Manhattan and Brooklyn and really all over the place. And what's great about this vegan meal prep team is that the meals are not just healthy vegan meals, but they're no soy, no sugar, they're non-GMO. There's all the good stuff that comes with vegan food, because you can also, just because it's vegan doesn't mean that it's healthy and that it's good for you, but this food is healthy, it is good for you, and each week she changes the menu up. So on Mondays, we make our deliveries out to Manhattan. I'm doing that for her today. Love ya, let's get going. So one of the things I love most about being so close to the city is just walking around. I know that a lot of people don't like to walk and they would rather drive to wherever they gotta go to, but as a martial artist, I do think that there's a huge benefit to walking and getting some exercise, and also having a place to just clear your mind, especially living in New York where everything is so busy all the time. I mean, even just looking around, you'll see thousands of people. It's nice to be able to get out, clear your head, get some fresh air, and do it in between work or even while you work. All right, so we made it, and I'd like to use this opportunity to go over a quick little martial arts lesson. You see, the place that we're delivering this delicious food to is my lovely girlfriend's old corporate job, which she had left in pursuit to do what she loves, which is cook these delicious meals for everybody. And I think it's really important that we keep up with our relationships. Oftentimes if we leave a job or we leave a neighborhood, it's almost like it's an exile. Don't ever come back, don't talk to us anymore. As martial artists, this is very common. If you leave your school, it's like, don't ever come back here, you're a traitor, you're not loyal. But it doesn't have to be like that, and it's actually not like that everywhere. Many places are very happy and open to let you venture and try new classes and try new schools and come back with new skills. And I think our relationship should be the same way. Just because she left this job in pursuit of a new career doesn't mean that there needs to be a grudge against that or any animosities. And I really love that her old job is supporting her new career and ordering some of these delicious meals. So let's get up there. Alright, so we just finished our delivery. Now off to Brooklyn to teach some kids jiu-jitsu. So we have 3 classes today. We have a kids karate / jiu-jitsu self-defense class. Then we have 2 kids jiu-jitsu self-defense classes, one for beginners and one for our advanced students. We'll probably see somewhere around 70 to 80 kids today within these 3 classes out in Brooklyn. So let's get on that train and get going. Alright, so we made it to Brooklyn. We are in Bensonhurst, and behind me is Brooklyn El Centro. This is an incredible building that has lots of different stuff. I teach the martial arts there to kids and adults, but there's also swimming and basketball and dance and art, and there's all these different things in here. Let's head inside. Hello! Alright, so this is the room that we'll be doing our martial arts in, and it's really incredible. One of the things I love about this room the most is if you look up there, we have exercise bikes and exercise equipment. Let me get a better look at it. Here we go. And this way, the parents don't just sit and watch class. They can watch their children train while they're getting some exercise of their own. So pretty cool, right? So the parents are kind of there, but kind of not there, and they're working out, and they're watching the children do their thing. How cool is that? Okay, so we're gonna start class now. Let's see how the kids are doing. Hi, that's okay. Yes, let's see. Wow. Wow, wow, everyone's sitting so well with their feet crossed. I love this. I love it. Yes. I think we should start now. I think we should start this amazing class. All right, if you're ready, say I'm ready. I said, if you're ready, say I'm ready. Alright team, so we are at the supermarket. We are gonna finish our night here at the supermarket. Well, maybe not finish the night here, I gotta eat some food, but at the end of the night, I am gonna be very hungry. I do eat a lot, I eat all the time because I'm always teaching so much. And you know, cooking is a big part of martial arts. We teach the kids that, you know, cooking your meals is part of martial arts. We want you to cook your meals like you're an iron chef. So the same detail that you put into your karate technique or your jiu-jitsu techniques, we want the kids to have that same type of focus and energy when they make their bed, when they cook their lunch or their dinners, any task. Martial arts is a lifestyle. So let's get some good food, some healthy food, and refuel. Hey guys, so we're back at home now. We skipped the cooking tutorial today. We went right from the supermarket right to the finished product here. And we have some turkey burgers, we have some beans, we have some greens, and we have some mushrooms. You see, eating well is part of the training as well. You know, tomorrow I'm going to be training, I'm going to be teaching, and I'm going to be traveling a lot back and forth between 2 different locations. So I want to make sure that my body feels good enough to do all of that work. And also, if I'm teaching people about eating the right way and training the right way, I should be doing it myself as well. So I try to stay away from things like bread on my burgers because for me, I mean, really does it do much? If you're at a barbecue, maybe you're walking around eating a hamburger, but if you're at home, why not just throw some of that stuff onto greens or onto some vegetables, stay away from the processed carbs, and have a healthier meal, as healthy as you can make it, okay? So some people might be like, well, how are you gonna eat a burger without any buns? Like this. I'll see you tomorrow.